See how you can unlock the locks? Let's see. Show her.
No.
Wendy. Okay, what else? What else can you unlock? Show her. Yeah, the horse. Can you unlock this one? Too easy. How about this one? Can you unlock this one? Oh, it's still locked. Alright, how about this one? Can you do this one? That's a tough one. Yeah, that's a tough one. You almost got it. Oh, you got it! Look, good job. Wow, you're showing Mimi a lot. How about this one? Can you unlock this one? Can you tell Mimi hi? Say hi Mimi, hi Papi, hi Nana, hi Grandma, hi Grandpa.
Yeah.